This is Zombieville, and I'm gonna be explaining how we came up with the program. First have our characters. Right here we have my partner's Bitmoji. Over here we have Jack. Jack is our main character for Zombieville. The reason why we have X, Y, and H is because that's how we use, those are the controls that we use to control the size and where they are placed in the canvas. We next have the zombies. This is where we draw the zombies, and again we have a X, Y, and H formatted. We then have our global variables. We have a score to keep track of the zombies killed, live to keep the lives of the character, plus on top of a couple more. This is our player project object class. Right here is where we decide what player we want to be drawn. Over here is where we make it go move up by changing the X value. Then we have it move right and move down as well. Also move left as well. Over here is where we check if the player connects with the zombies by comparing zombie XY to player XY. And since we define our player, now we call it down here. Now this is a button object class. We have different buttons for every scene that we have. Here we have our zombie object class. Here we have our X and our Y plus our speed. We also have an array with the zombies that lets us create the zombies. Next we have the bullet object class. You have an X or Y and where do we want it coming from. You also have our function for cosmetic stuff like the background, the fences in the back, and things along those lines. Now this is where we have our scenes, and next we have our draw function that tells the program when to call our scenes, and that's our program Zombieville. Thank you.